Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and two-factor authentication. Make sure your device runs the latest Mac OS or iOS. Once done, open Apple Intelligence Playground and sign in right away. You will be asked to grant microphone, camera, and local model permissions. Approve them so the app can run locally. You should also choose a performance profile. Balanced for battery, high for speed. These first steps let you interact with live models and avoid permission blocks. Now you create a session. Select the model type and adjust context size to fit your task. Then add prompts or drop a file or enable live audio input. Use what matches your workflow. Make sure to set temperature and max tokens and turn on safety filters if needed. This shapes output style and length. Once configured, preview a short test prompt to confirm the model behavior. If it's too verbose, lower temperature. If too conservative, raise it slightly. Execute the session and read the output critically. You'll refine prompts iteratively to get the result you want. Once satisfied, save session snapshots and export results, or revert to a prior state if a change breaks flow. If results stall or quality drops, reset the model state and rerun the prompt. Make sure permissions remain enabled and that you have enough disk space for local models. These are the most common fixes if the app fails or becomes unreliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.